Hello, my name is Fred Savoy, one of the instructors and program chair in the Insulator program here at NAIT. With society today requesting greener energy, the first thing that needs to be done is reduce consumption, and insulators are the energy conservation experts. Insulators are experts in installing and repairing thermal, acoustic, cryogenic applications, leading to lower energy consumption and a cleaner, greener planet. Our program prepares you to be a full-time insulator. The program is a 3-year apprenticeship, with each year consisting of 1,600 hours of on-the-job training and 7 weeks of technical training each year. Training includes pattern development and practical hand skills, utilizing canvas jacketing, PVC, aluminum, stainless steel, and mastic materials. You'll also learn to cut and fabricate fiberglass, mineral wool, foam glass, polystyrene, polyurethane insulations, and how to remove asbestos safely. Insulators work indoors, outdoors, in hot, cold, and everything in between. The Insulator program shows you how to keep people comfortable and goods and properties safe from extreme conditions. When you graduate, you'll be a certified journey person. NAIT's Insulator program is committed to your success, and we look forward to seeing you soon.